Okay, good morning, dear students. Today we will solve and learn about the Bernoulli equation. This is the part of first order and first degree differential equation. Basically, an equation of the form dy upon dx plus py equal to qy to the power n is known as Bernoulli equation if p and q both are the function of x only, and or maybe p and q are both are the constant, and n is a constant except 0 and 1. इट्स मीन आपके पास n के प्लेस पे 0 और 1 को छोड़कर 2 3 4 5 6 कुछ और हो सकता है. लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल dy upon dx x sin 2y equal to x to the power 3 cos square y. In this question we can rearrange and rewrite this question after dividing this question by cos square y. When we divide this question by cos square y, then this is converted to sec square y dy upon dx plus sin 2y upon cos square y x equal to x cube. Now this part convert into sec square y dy upon dx, and this is 2 sin y cos y upon cos square y and x equal to x cube. Now we can write it in the form of sec square y dy upon dx plus, this is cancelled out, 2 tan y and x equal to x cube. Now we can, for converting this equation into linear differential equation, let us take tan y equal to v. Then this part equal to sec square y. When we differentiate this with respect to x, then sec square y dy upon dx equal to dv upon dx. Okay, then this equation convert into dv over dx plus dv over dx plus 2v, this part is 2v, this is a v, into x equal to x cube. Now this is the equation in the form of dy upon dv upon dx plus 2x into v equal to x cube. This is the p and this is q. In this case we have the integrating factor of this equation equal to e to the power integration of p and dx. P is 2x and dx. Then it is equal to e to the power 2x square upon 2, and this part is e to the power x square. In this case, the answer of this question is integrating factor into v equal to integration of integrating factor into q and integrating factor into q and dx plus c. Then it is equal to integrating factor is e to the power x square and the value of v, and we can write v equal to tan y. This is tan y equal to integration of integrating factor e to the power x square, value of q is x cube, and dx plus c. Now in this right hand side, in this side, we can take x square equal to t. When x square equal to t, then 2x and dx equal to dt. It's mean we have x dx equal to dt upon 2. X dx equal to dt upon 2. In this case, this part convert into e to the power x square 10y. It is equal to integration of e to the power t. We can write this x square into x, then because x square equal to t, and x dx equal to dt upon 2. This is dt, and we can take out 1 upon 2 out from the integration sign. Then this is plus c. Now okay, now the last integration of this part is e to the power x square 10y, and it is equal to 1 upon 2. The integration of this part is because first function is t, integration of second e to the power t minus integration differentiation of t is 1, and integration of e to the power t, then it is e to the power t, and plus c. After taking the value of t, because t equal to x square, then final answer is e to the power x square and 10y 1 upon 2, t equal to x square e to the power x square. This is x square minus e to the power x square plus c. So this is the example of Bernoulli equation. Students, you can solve another example using the help of Bernoulli equation. Like this is example number first, dy upon dx equal to e to the power x minus y, e to the power x and minus e to the power y. This is the second example, dz upon dx equal plus z upon x log z equal to z upon x square log z square. And third example is dy upon dx plus 1 equal to e to the power x minus y. Okay, you can solve these example with the help of Bernoulli equation, and this is the first topic of unit number 2. In our next lecture, we will learn another example of Bernoulli equation. Okay, thank you.